Jhoiey Ramirez, Studio Jhoiey Inc., Primary Suite. The goal for the primary suite is to bring back the glamorous days of the 1930s. Primarily, my inspiration is in the 1930s when this house was built. All the new parkways and bowling greens were being built. So I thought I'd go back to that botanical theme. We've used, I should stop, sorry.
No, you want to talk about the color selection? Is that what you're...
When we were reviewing the color selection from Dunn-Edwards, I really gravitated towards the darker colors. And when I saw the green, it's called refined green. It has this like dark green and blue hues to it. And for me, it just relaxes the eye. I just felt that it would complete the look with some hand painting techniques. It's a huge challenge because we're known as a modern style designer, and then all of a sudden we're faced with this traditional house, and that was just like, oh wow, can we do this? And we did, and we're happy, and we've expanded our horizon, we've expanded possibilities for us, and I feel that as a studio we've met that challenge.